to my channel. Okay, so today my friend, she like not really challenged me, but she sent me over a picture since I'm doing this really a challenge, but more of, you know, inspiration on what she wants me to do for my next makeup look. And she chose this. And focus. Oh my gosh, this pretty rainbow. I've done a rainbow look before, but not with gloss. Speaking of gloss, I bought some and I need to go get it. But yeah, once I go get my lip gloss, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead, subscribe. Like, subscribe right now. Why aren't you subscribed in the first place? Why? Okay, so let's go get this lip gloss and then we're gonna get started. Alright, I got the lip gloss that I got from the beauty supply store. I'm gonna put my hair half up, half down so it's not in my face. Anyways, let's just go ahead and get started. Have all my stuff right here. I already prepped my eyes with concealer just to like make it even, but we're gonna use some eye primer too. The Fenty Beauty one. It's okay, she's cute. She does what needs to be done, you know? Let's start with the green on the outside. Should we start with the green on the outside? Or we should start with yellow? I think we should start on the yellow instead. You know? I don't know which brush to use. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Okay, let's use this one. Oh, I guess I should show y'all the palette I'm using. I'm using the Radioactive palette by Melt Cosmetics. If y'all know me, I love me some Melt Cosmetics, okay? I don't think that's a secret to anyone. So if you ever want to buy me something, I want Melt Cosmetics. Almost everything. Ooh, this yellow really is standing out. Hold on. It's like an orange yellow color. And she brought it all the way up to her brow bone too. So we're gonna do that. I don't think this is gonna be that hard. I hope it's not. I'm not in the mood for it to be hard, you know? We're gonna put it all over, well, the middle part at least. And we're gonna blend it out so it don't have no harsh lines. Because we're gonna put the orange in the more closer to. Today, I wanted to talk about senior year. I am 22 right now, and senior year was really like such a traumatizing year for me. I have no idea why it was that bad, but it was, and I wish it would not affect me as it does now, but it does. Okay, we're gonna go into Randon now, which is the orange color. We're gonna tap this off just a bit because I'm kind of scared. Oh, it's not that bad. Okay. Can you see? Yeah, but senior year was just such a traumatizing time. And I wish I didn't do a lot of things that I did, like join my dance team again. Because junior year I had to quit. But then, you know, I was like, I'm gonna join again senior year. I'm gonna join again senior year. I'm gonna march with hi-hat senior year. And then I did, and it wasn't what I thought it would be. It was more me just trying to survive. It wasn't really me having fun, if that makes sense, you know? It was just more me, like, I don't know. It was trying to graduate. I don't really care about anyone here. I have one friend, maybe, who I don't even talk to anymore, which kind of sucks. I don't know if she's mad at me or what, but we don't talk. I hope she's not mad at me. I don't remember doing anything to her, you know. I don't blended these two colors together because they were kind of looking weird. But senior year was just rough. It was just me just trying to graduate, and then band wasn't any better. I feel like I should have quit band as well because it wasn't as fun as it usually was prior years, you know? Like the other years they were like, oh yeah, I'm gonna stay in band. I'm gonna stay in band. And then senior year was like, I think I'm gonna quit. It just got bad because the band directors, they weren't doing what they were originally doing. Let me see how this looks again. Okay, she has pink on the inner. And then blue right here. And then green on the outside. I don't know. Her eyes are closed. I can't see the inner part. But now I'm going to take the Magic palette by Juvia's. Or Juvia's. Whatever you want to call it. But band was just traumatizing. And then I was in cosmetology too. Trying to get my license. And that right there really was the most. It wasn't the most stressful because I still have fun in cosmetology. You know, I had Brashana and then I had Kaylin, and that was really it because everybody else, they were all in their groups. You know, I got along with people in there, but I wasn't really feeling everyone because a lot of them were just messy. You know, it's like, why are you so messy in cosmetology? Like, this is not cheerleading. This is not dance, you know, and like hi-hats, my dance team, that's what it was called. I was used to everyone being fake. So I was like, oh my gosh, I have a place to get away from. And it wasn't that. That's kind of how the situation went. And then, you know, it was just, I don't know. I don't know where I was going with that. Okay, that looks cute. What's the next color? What's the next color? I think I'm gonna do the green next. Yeah, let's do this green. That's too bright for green. Does this have green in it? I know I have green. I know I have. Ooh, this one's glittery, but it's green. We can use that. I don't. That's the thing. What was I talking about again? I don't remember, so let's talk about something else. Quarantine? I don't know. I don't know. What should I talk about, y'all? Help me. I don't know. I forgot what I was talking. Oh yeah, senior year. And then other than that, everything just went wrong. The teachers sucked. They didn't want to be there. They were all getting ready to quit, or they were getting fired for doing dumb things. And it was like, oh my gosh, like they all just sucked. I don't have a favorite teacher from senior year. I just don't. Like my math teacher, that class wasn't even a math class. I don't know what kind of class it was, but it wasn't math. I learned how to change a tire, y'all. Like, I learned how to change a tire, which you know is useful, obviously. I know what the little T, is it TISI or something like that? I know what it means, and that's really the only thing that I learned in there. I don't know how she made it about math, but she did. So, you know, she didn't really suck, but it wasn't, this looks retarded. But it wasn't, it just wasn't it. I didn't like the class either. They were all very annoying. If anything, I slept in that class a lot. And I slept a lot in science too. And I slept a lot. I just slept in almost every class, if you want to be honest. Okay, I'm back. I did the blue. And, okay. Let me zoom in a little bit more so you can kind of see it a bit better. You see, it's not all that, but, oops. We could work with it. Plus, we haven't put the gloss on yet. So yeah, right now I just look like a peacock with green braids. Cool. I feel like I should have used this green. Hold on. Let me take this green off and try this one instead. A tip, if you don't know, I'm pretty sure I've said this plenty of times. If you don't have a paper towel to just be wiping makeup on, yeah, this one's a little bit better. Get some sweatpants that are old and crusty and use those. Okay, this is getting muddy right here. It's getting muddy. It's getting muddy. It's getting muddy. I mean, it looks okay, right? Yeah, let's wipe this side off. Being honest, kind of bombed this look. I really bombed it. whatever though. Okay, I'm back with a full face, and now I'm about to put on some lip injection by Too Faced. Some lip plumper, cause I have white girl lips and I hate them. Right, now let's get to the bottom part. Like I said, she doesn't really, her eyes are closed, so I can't really see what she did on the bottom, but we could definitely put the pink in the corner now. We're gonna dip into Radioactive in that same Radioactive palette, and we're gonna put it right in here. Sure are, we sure are. Ooh, ooh. I don't know, should I just put purple on the bottom? I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna just put purple on the bottom of my eyelash because we didn't really use purple yet, and it would be really pretty. It would be really pretty. Gosh darn it, to be pretty, and I'm going to do it. Homegirl, chill out just a bit, you know. But it's pretty. This was a good idea. I have a lot of bad ideas lately, and this is actually a good one. So we're gonna keep this one. Cool. Violet Voss lashes, and what are these in? Just Slaying. But first, I'm gonna put the glue on there so it can dry, get tacky. You know, the drill. Okay, we got that down. Let's put some mascara on. Some black mascara on the top, simply because I feel like it. Back to my senior year. Oh my gosh, it was so bad. It was every important event except for prom. For me, it rained. And so when it rains, people start to freak out. And they're like, oh no, it's raining. Let's cancel everything. And it's like, oh my gosh, what more can you be canceling? They cancel, oh my gosh. For band, for senior night for band, it's like the last home game. That's for seniors. And we're supposed to be doing the full run through. We're supposed to be sitting with the football players, doing the alma mater, all of that. And guess what? We didn't do it. Wanna know why? Because it started raining. I was pissed off more than anything because it was like, y'all have performed, we have performed in the rain before. It's not the first time of us performing in the rain. Like, it's not a new thing, and they just like stopped it, and we were just like, what's going on? Why are we ending right here? You know, we're supposed to be watching the band, the little what are these called, drum majors, and they stopped, and we were just like, why are you stopping? And they stopped, and they hurt my feelings when they stopped, because then they said and then that means, oh no. And so when it was the end, we didn't know what to do, so that happened. And then graduation, oh my gosh, graduation started raining. It was like a senior lockdown. Lock-in at Alley Cats. It's like this bowling laser tag. It's a whole arcade thing. It rained thin. You know, people still went, but it wasn't as fun because they tried to put dress code on it. And it was like, we're not even at school. Why are y'all trying to put dress code? And then like 5 minutes before, they're like, hey, there's no dress code. And it was like, no one was coming in dress code anyways. And dress code back then, it was like, well, it still is. You have to have solid color shirt, solid colored pants, you know, jeans, or whatever pants you want. Can't have anything on it. Did we listen? No. It's cute. I can't wait to put the gloss on it. Oh my gosh, I never had a glossy lid on my eye before. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. Woo! But that happened. It was just a lot. So many times it rained for so many important things, and we were just like, why does it keep raining? 2016 had the worst year. And then guess what? I'm supposed to be graduating this year for 2020, but I'm not because I'm kind of like a year behind, which is kind of good. And we're under quarantine. So my friends can't even walk the stage. It's like, why is our year like cursed or something? Everything happens. Every 4 years, something happens when it comes to us. We haven't had good years. We haven't had a good two senior years. They haven't had any good. My senior year of high school, trash. Their senior year in college, they got closed down early and now they can't walk to the stage. Like, woo, man. Let's talk about it. It's a lot. So much bad just kept happening. We were just like, oh my gosh, we just want to graduate. That's all we wanted to do. And the administration, they just kept bothering us. They kept making up rules. And it was like, where did this come from? Y'all didn't have it 4 years before. Blah, blah, blah. Honestly, if you're a senior now, I hope that your senior year went better than my senior year. Because my senior year was trash. And I would not do it again. I would not do high school ever again. Like, I just wouldn't. Hey, are my lashes done drying? I think they are. Jackie Anna said to put the gloss on last, so that's what we're doing if you wonder why I haven't put it on yet. She said to do it last, and I was like, okay. And not to put a lot because it can be runny. Okay, these are lefties. Lashes are on. Do you like them? I like them. Okay. Now, we're gonna take this e.l.f. eyeshadow brush, literally, is what it's called. And we're gonna take some, what is this, Ruby Kisses? Some Ruby Kisses, Crystal Gloss, lip gloss, and Totally Naked, okay? So we're gonna take this, put it on this brush, just a little bit. Oh my God, I'm doing it! Ah! Cute. This is a vibe. I'm hooked. I'm hooked. Okay, so how do you take this off is the question. Without, you know, going blind. Okay. So far, so good. Can you see it? I'm doing it! Oh! I understand now. I just get it. I just get it, and it's sticky too. So the chances of it coming off are lower than normal. Can you see it? Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay, let's do the other side. This is bomb, this is bomb, this is bomb. Okay, we're gonna wipe. It's so cute. Let's zoom in. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. This is so bomb. It's bomb. You feel the vibe? Do you feel it? Ooh. 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 My eyes are heavy though, that's for sure. So how do you like the final look? I think I did that. It's not exactly like hers, but it's good enough, you know? Like, I'm feeling it. I feel like I could take pictures in this, you know? But my camera's overheating again. But you saw the look. I have on a full face, just so you know. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. This video will be on Instagram and on YouTube, so you can have 2 places to watch it. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, or follow me on Instagram. Whichever way you're watching this, please just support. This is fun for me again. Makeup was not fun, and we're back to having fun with it again. So thanks for watching. I love you. See you later. Bye.